everybody. I miss you all so much. Welcome to my kitchen. I thought today we could make Play-Doh like we do at school. I went ahead and I wrote down the recipe, which we'll make sure that you get so that you can do this with mom and dad. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my hands.
Yellow, black, and white, and brown, you see them all around. The world is a rain.
Salt, cream of tartar, food coloring, and vegetables. So we're going to get a cup of flour. We're going to put it in our bowl here, which the kids can help you do. They love to measure it out and figure out how much goes in the bowl. So there's our cup of flour that we just plopped right in there. Get a half a cup of salt. We're just going to measure it out. Again, the kids help me do this all the time at school. We're going to mix it together. Again, we take turns doing this typically. And it's a good reminder to tell everybody to try and keep the ingredients in the bowl. Otherwise it could get kind of messy. We're going to add a little cream of tartar. And again, we're going to make sure that that's mixed in.
It takes all kinds of people to make the world go round.
Now we're going to get a cup of water. And usually an adult does this part. I think I feel like making purple. So I'm going to take blue. Put a couple drops of blue in. A couple drops of red.
The world is a rainbow.
We're going to take a cap full of vegetable oil, just a cap full, and we're going to pour it right in. And then we're going to put it in the microwave. And again, an adult should do this part because it's going to be very, very hot. So I typically ask the kids to help me by listening for the beep. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and 2.5 minutes.
The world is beautiful when we live.
Okay, so now our water is done. And this is very hot. So again, an adult should do this. And the children just need to be patient. Okay? Now that the water is in, we're just going to start mixing it up. Real good. And then when it gets to a certain point, you're going to scrape your spoon off. Again, this is very hot, so this should be done by an adult. And I just dump it right out on the counter or on the table. And sometimes we add a little flour. And then we just start kneading. And then once it's cooled down and everybody's done their kneading, then we're ready to play. And as time goes on, the flour will just get mixed right into your dough. And now our Play-Doh is done. And we can use cookie cutters or rolling pins, or you can just play with it freely. I highly recommend when you're storing it to put it in an airtight Ziploc bag or an airtight container. Make sure the air is out of it and that it's cooled completely. And it should store for up to 2 weeks. And enjoy and have fun. I miss you guys. Bye.
The world is a mixing cup. Just look what happens when you stir it up. The world is